Hello, folks. It's Gregory here at Fizz Designs and SEO. Whether you be a client or maybe just somebody across the internet that's doing a Google search and finding us, this video is here and this blog post page is here to help you achieve a fix, let's say, for the problem at hand. Okay. Now, you've maybe found us on Google there. You've searched Stackmail, IMAP settings, set up, something to that effect, and or maybe you're just searching for the problem at hand and it's finding us. What I would say is we've done a series of videos. We've been using Stackmail now for a good long time, since it was launched. Actually, the very month it was launched, we got onto the service. We're fairly well set up on it. We know how it works, and we're here to help. That's basically it. And all the information that is needed to apply the fix will be in this video. It will be on these pages here that you'll find on our website. You can see by actually just jumping to the screen here, a Google search finds us, as a featured snippet, because Google knows that we're presenting good information to help people, basically. You'll see if you're needing any further information on the setup of Stackmail, you can go to our website and you'll find that there, or again, just Google it. There's also other wee things that you might not know of, like, for example, how to set up an out-of-office message. That means if you're on holidays, you can actually have a message going back to the person that's emailing you to say, hey, we're currently on holidays, or hey, I'm currently out of office. And you can set that up and schedule that. Again, that's all this information is in this page. But today we're going to be talking about a DKIM. You're probably saying, what the hell is a DKIM? A DKIM is something that can help you avoid issues when sending emails to the likes of Gmail or to Outlook or to Hotmail, let's say. There could be others. And it just means that they're not identifying that your email is safe. Now, this isn't going to happen for everybody that's on Stackmail. I've got only a small amount of clients that have actually had this issue. I've actually had it myself for one of my own email packages, but it is a very low amount of people. What you could do is, to be super safe, maybe when you set up your package, you just get it done straight away. Just apply the DKIM and that's it, done with. You'll never have any issues. But you could not do that and just carry on with your email, and if the issue arises, then you know that you can come to applying this fix. Now, a DKIM is a domain keys identified mail key. Basically, it's there to kind of attach to your email. It kind of sits in the background, and if you come to Mimecast, this website here, I'm not associated with them in any way whatsoever, but you'll be able to get a better understanding to what a DKIM is. It's a domain keys identified mail, is an email authentication method that uses a digital signature to let the receiver know that your email message was sent and authorized by the owner of the domain name. So basically, you being the owner of your own domain name, you're telling them that this email is coming from me and it's not been hacked or being used from anybody else. So it's not super common, but it's maybe something that we'll start to do more often as the internet evolves. Maybe it's just something that's going to be more common in the future. Who knows? But if you're experiencing the problem with sending emails and you cannot send emails using your Stackmail service to the likes of Gmail, this is what you need to do. You need to log into your control panel. I'm just going to show you our basic control panel here at Fizz Designs and SEO. And I've just picked one of our dummy domain names that doesn't get used much. But it has all of this stuff working in it, and for this purpose, it'll show you how to set it up. So what you want to do is log into your control panel, or you could go back to your webmaster or your provider. In our case, most clients come to the likes of me, and we get it set up for them. But if you've got access to your control panel, you can come in, you can come down to the bit where it says email here, this section here, and you want to come across to DKIM, domain keys. Click in there, and you'll be presented with this page. Select your domain name. You might have multiple, but in this case, it's just the fizz.scot one. You then type in my case, I just typed in FZ-1. If your domain name is Malone's Bakery, you might just want to put MB-1. Either way, it's just a wee it's just a wee selector, a name, a number, a code that can help get this set up. We don't need to go super technical with this. It works. I keep it short and sweet. You can even see there, example S1. Look, keep it short, sweet, and simple. Once you've done that, probably within the minute, it'll all be set up, activated, and working for you. That is it. That's how to set up a DKIM signature using Stackmail.com. As I say, super simple. Log into your control panel, get to the email section, click on the DKIM, and then get in there and apply them settings. And that's pretty much it. It's really, really simple to do. You can learn more about DKIM by Googling it or whatever. And of course, keep your eyes peeled for more and more Stackmail related videos coming out from Fizz Designs and SEO. They're all here to help you out. And of course, if you're ever stuck, turn to Google, do a wee search, and I'm pretty confident you'll see Fizz sitting about there somewhere. That's it from me for now. Hopefully that's helped you today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Other than that, it should be super simple and super easy to do. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.